This is the login page. Now we will log in to CRM. First is username, second password, then just click on login. This is different dashboards. We will see later on this. Now we will see how to create lead in CRM. First, you can create from here. Second options, you can have a quick create. Just go to create lead. First is salutation. Second is first name, designation, mobile. If you have any office number, it also shows duplication if you have any duplications. Then the status. These are different status. One is new. When inquiry is created, it's on new stage. Assign, when you assign to your salesperson representative, it should be on assign stage. In process, when you start working on lead, like you are start making calls, follow up, emails, then it should be on in process. Converted, it's something when client or prospects show interest on your product or solutions. I will show you this later on after this video. Recycles, someone has shown interest but they don't have any plan to implement or buy the product. So we mark as recycle and we send regular SMS emails to them. Dead is something we try to follow up the lead but they don't respond or they don't have such a requirement what solution or services or product we sell. So we mark as that. Now we will keep on in process. These are different lead sources. Lead sources is something from where we are getting the inquiry. Like we have website, we have LinkedIn, we have India Mart and Facebook. So this all we get leads. So we can integrate all this with our CRM and we can capture lead automatically into the system. So I'll select it as self-generated. Account name is a company name. And if you have any website, let's just put here. If you have LinkedIn URL, you just put here. Then with a Skype, then the email address. You can see the email is invalid. If you put the proper email address, it will also validate. Then we have option called next follow update. Next follow update is something when we have to follow up again this lead. So I'll select 22. I select time. It's 11 a.m. This is follow up type. Whether it's a call, meeting, we can select. It's a call. Then the add description is something what we discuss with the client. For example, requirement of a client like number of users, number of branches, Then lead tag. You can tag the lead. Tagging is very important. We just tag the interest of client, like he is also interested on IP, PBX, then ERP, SAP. So whatever he interested, you can type here. It will be tagged. Then assign. Assign to is something when we assign this lead to any particular salesperson, marketing executive, you should just type the name and you can select. Refer by is something when somebody refer this inquiry to you, like your client, your partner. So you can just type the name if you have a contact. Now this is the product. What product he is interested? You can just type the name if you have a master. Just select it. Now you can see the product type, manufacturing quantity. You can also increase the quantity if you want to increase. It will change the number. Go to the address information. Just type any address. It will auto fetch all the informations. Now just click on save. Now the lead is created successfully. These are all the details what we fill up. You can see the product here. In the active panel, you can see the lead follow-up, which has been planned for 20 seconds on 11 a.m. It also shows here. If you have any conversations, it will be shown in the history like email, WhatsApp, SMS. Now here in the panel, you can also see inquiry status wise detail. It is in process for how much date, time and minutes. So if I change the status, it will show the last date and time. Now there is different way to communicate with this lead. One is WhatsApp. You can just click on WhatsApp icon. You can send WhatsApp templates if you have. You can type messages here and you can send it. Same thing applies for SMS. You can also send SMS. You can schedule SMS. Then this is a calling functionality. This is add-on. You can make a call from CRM itself. You can have a recording, call pop-up and all. Then you have email. Just click on email. If you have any templates, just go there and select the template. You can select any template or just type here. You can one click you can able to send. You can attach if you want to attach any document. Likewise, this is how we create lead and system. Now we will see how to convert lead in CRM. You can see different options here. You can click on convert lead. You can see all the information what we have in the lead. It's auto fetch during the convert section. Here you can see the options. If you have existing contact, you just click here and type the name and you can just select it. While going down, this is same apply for account. If account the company name, if you have in the system, just click here and type the same account or company name. Now going down, if you have industry, this is important. the type of industry, a type of customer he is, like his customer, you can select customer, type of industry he is in, technology. Now you can give the name of this particular opportunity. What stage it is. Now we can, it has been qualified and need some analysis. You can select need analysis, you can put amount. This amount can be auto fetched from the product if you have a product price there. Then this is the expected close date. This applies on the time period takes on product and solutions. Now just click on save. Now you can see a new contact has been created, new account has been created, new opportunity has been created. I click on opportunity. Now the next activity I'll be doing on opportunity, I'll just edit this opportunity. I'll change some like this new business or existing business. Now I can type what I discussed with opportunity, like example demo completed, need proposal. I'll change this need on proposal. I'll save this. Now you can see this is the lead descriptions. Now the current description is demo completed, need proposal or quotations. If I go down on the product panel, you can see the product which we selected during the lead. We don't have any activity, we don't have any history now. Same applies for deal stage wise detail. Now it's on proposal. You can see need analysis is for duration in 1 minute. If I again change this stages, it will change this duration time, days and hours. So this is how we used to follow opportunity. These are different stages: proposal, negotiation, close won, lost. Negotiations when there is some kind of negotiations. Close won when we won. On close won, we can send email to the entire team or manager. Close lost means we have lost this opportunity. We can mark as close lost. You can also see probability based on stages. Whatever the stages we select, based on status, change the probability as well. Now we will see how to create code from system. Just click on create code. Just give the title on draft stage. Quotation date is autophase for today. Validity is something when we provide some kind of offer, discounts. This is important at that time of period. Terms and conditions, we can select different terms and conditions. This is payment terms. Now other things you can see it is auto fetch, but contact we don't have. Reason is that one company can have multiple contacts, so during the creation of quotations we can select the contact. You can see now we have only one contact from fridayholiday.coms. Also we can create a contact, or you can just select Adam. Go to the line item. You can see the product which we selected during the lead opportunity. It's available here with all the informations. Here you can also provide a kind of discounts that is in percentage. AMT is something amount. Here you can select the tax, IGST, GST. Now here you can apply a discount. Like for example, it is an amount. If you click on 100, it will deduct 100 from the product. If you want to deduct in percentage 10%, it will also deduct a 10%. You can see here the deductions. You can see here the total discount deduction. Here you can type any descriptions. If anything internal notes for your team, you can just type here. You can also add services here. Same thing, you can apply the taxes here. If you want to apply discount, you can also apply discount here. Same way, you can add multiple product, multiple services. Now you can see this is the group total, this is the subtotal, grand total. You can also name group name here, like this is. You can have different groups. Same thing apply if it is for hardware. You can select hardware and you can add products. So it will be having a group total different for different product and services. Now we'll have one single. Now it is ready with all the details. You can just click on save. There is also currency options. You can have a different currency. Now the quotation is ready with all the details and everything what we fill up. This is the details. Now there is options called print as PDF. You can just click on print as PDF, code format. Now you can see this entire part is customizable. So this is how easy to create quotation from CRM. There is different way to send quotations. You can directly email as a PDF, email as a quotations. If you click on email as a PDF, it will redirect to the email address. And you can directly email from here with all the attachment. You can see the quotation has been attached here. So this is how the quotation has been created with different option to print as PDF, email as PDFs, email quotations. Further, you can also convert this into the opportunity, contract, convert to invoice as well. If you go down, you can have other tab related to this particular quotations. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.